If you are an art lover and loves to do traveling, and if you try to capture the beauty of nature by any medium, it could be watercolors or acrylics, on paper or on canvas, then this video is to give you the idea what important supplies you should keep while traveling. Hi, my name is Shalini. I am an artist, illustrator, and content creator who loves to do travel. I try to capture all beautiful inspirations of nature through the medium of colors on paper. So, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to my channel for more updates regarding lifestyle, art, and travel vlogs. So here I am giving you the quick tour of my travel art supplies or my travel art kit, which help me to stay organized while traveling. So I keep this file holder in this bag along with some art supplies, and this is having a sketchbook. This is from Bistro brand and having 200 GSM paper, which is good for watercolors. And this is the watercolors which I use. These are artist watercolor from Camel brand. And you know what, this is a jewelry box which I am using for keeping my brushes, and it has a band which is holding my brushes very safely. And this is having velvet cushions, so this can keep my brushes very safely, and it is very compact and beautiful also. And this is the diary which I use for journaling and for writing any of the ideas. Masking tape, and these are some tissue papers. And this is a pouch which is holding so many pens. So first of all, let me tell you, there are some compass, eraser, pencil, ruler which I generally keep, and these are micron pens for making doodles, or I am really passionate about mandalas, so I use for them. And these are the jelly roll pens, neon pens, and which is from Sakura brand. I will leave all the details of these pens in the description box. And this is other pouch which is holding my tablet. This is Samsung S7 Plus tablet, which is having a S Pen for making digital art, and this is very good tablet which I use to keep digital art, and I also capture beautiful memories on this tablet. So at the back side of this bag, I keep my charger of my tablet. In the front pocket, I keep Bluetooth earphones and its cable for charging purpose. And in the second pocket, I keep my mic for recording videos. This is from Boya brand. I'll share the details in the description box. So this is all about how I organize my travel art supplies in traveling bag, and this is very compact and it is very easy to keep all my art supplies. So if you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe my channel. I create content related art, travel and lifestyle, and you can subscribe for more updates. So presently I am in Shimla, and from where I have recorded this video, and I will soon share my artwork which I have made here. Till then, bye bye, take care.